Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. Press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
HostBeast review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about the software called HostBeast. So this is the HostBeast review, and right now we are on the sales page, and then we have the demo video which is for 2 minutes long. So we'll get back to the demo video later on. Starting with the sales page, it says here fire HostGator, GoDaddy, Bluehost and all those web hosting companies that are charging you ridiculously expensive monthly fees today. Save thousands of dollars on hosting services today. Host unlimited websites and domains on super fast SSD servers for a low one-time price, no monthly fees ever. One-time pay, one-click, 100+ script installer, ultra-fast website speed, and these many features. I will not waste my time on any of this. What I will do is I will play the demo video in its entirety so that you can see, and then you can tell me if you have understood anything by watching this demo video, because nobody is explaining what they are doing. So you are supposed to understand everything in 2 minutes, how to set up your website using this demo video, and inside that I believe there will be no training videos, I assume. Okay, so yeah, let me talk. There's only background music in this video, and we are supposed to understand everything on our own, and especially understand that this is supposed to be for newbies. Okay, as a newbie, if you can understand everything with the shake of their cursor, then good luck to you. By the way, I will not buy this, because if you want to create or host your websites and you have a long-term vision, then always go for those monthly hosting companies such as Namecheap, HostGator or Big Rock, whatever. Okay, so these one-time software are not going to work because you will not get any support. The number one reason why I will not buy this, because if somebody is not able to explain their product verbally in their demo videos, I will not buy anything from them. Okay, so in 2 minutes you cannot understand or make out everything what they're trying to show you here. They will be talking about NS1, NS2 records. You see IP address, SSL. I mean, did you understand any of this here? What are they trying to do? Okay, and without any verbal instructions. So FTP. So technically you are supposed to be an expert before you get into this. And if you are an expert, then why would you buy this? You know very well that you see here NS1 app, host this and that, right? Why would you go and I mean, do you know what to do there? What you just saw on the screen? Do you even know how to redirect your domain to those name servers? Anything you know about that? I don't think so. And if you know, oh, we're done. Short strip. So we are already done with the demo video. So bottom line is that don't buy and just watch the video till the end and have fun. Okay. So if I go through the sales page, you have to kill or fire somebody and HostGator and all that, kick their ass and give them the money. That's all. What all they are trying to say is that give them your money and then do whatever you like. Okay. So is HostBeast a cloud-based? Yes. Is HostBeast a popular software with market? Oh yeah, it's so popular. It's launched only today. Okay. Do we have to pay monthly fees? No, but you do have these upgrades, or you see funnel here. So God knows what you will be paying for here. So first reason is, I don't know why would you create a website in 2023 unless you only want to represent your brand. And if you have any long-term vision to maintain your brand, then go with monthly subscriptions. Okay, don't go with this. 15 bucks. What do you expect in 15 bucks? Why would somebody give you a shit in 15 bucks for lifetime? Come on, guys, grow up. So do we have to? Yes, you have to. What is the minimum experience? And oh, you saw the demo video, 2 minutes long demo video. What are you talking about? You have understood everything from the demo video, right? Is training and support included? Of course, 2 minutes demo video. That's all you get. All right, so let's keep it short. And yeah, I don't know what is the reason for you to get this hosting. I told you, if you want to maybe start a website in 2023 for the purpose of making money online, think about it 10 times, maybe 100 times before you waste or invest your money. Okay, nobody makes money with the website. Websites rank nowhere unless you know how to get it ranked, and it take guts. Okay, plus time, plus efforts, plus skills, plus knowledge, plus hard work. You can't do any of that anyway. So demo is done, and let me talk about the OTOs, and in the end I'll show you how to make money online, because that's what I'm doing right now. So if I talk about the OTOs, these are the OTOs, these are the features actually. So you see, this is front end will cost you 15 bucks, I guess. You will get all this, and then we have this OTO 1, you will get all this here. Then this OTO 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, and best of luck. Who will buy? Why would you buy this? I have no idea. I have no clue. Okay, because as I said, if you want to make money online, websites will not make you money. Okay, what makes money is traffic. Whether you make a video or you create a website, if nobody is coming to watch the video or nobody is coming to read your blog, then it's good for nothing. Okay, and if we have to compare between a video and a website, this YouTube video which I'm recording, that will rank faster than any website. Okay, so if I go and write this review on my blog, on my website, it will rank nowhere. You will not find my website anywhere in Google. But if you come on YouTube, you probably have found my video, and that's how you're watching this. Okay, so videos are faster than websites, and that's why I will recommend you to come on YouTube if you want to make money. Okay, and there are more ways to make money, but because in this video what we are talking about websites only, so as I said here, if your purpose is to make money online, then don't start a website and come and make YouTube videos, and I'll show you how. And if you want to maintain or establish your brand, and you want to have a website on your domain, then go for some reputed hosting companies which charges you monthly, such as Bluehost or Namecheap. Okay, now if you go below my YouTube video here, you will find a couple of methods which will help you to make real money online. The second link says here, make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now. So in case you want to do affiliate marketing by making YouTube videos, then you have to go and get this Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will teach everything about YouTube, how to rank and how to find products, how to sell products. Affiliate marketing, all about affiliate marketing, and it will also help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel within 2 weeks, and then get your YouTube channel monetized so that you can make some money with YouTube ad revenue as well. Okay, so if you are exactly interested in doing manual work and making these YouTube videos and doing affiliate marketing, then go and try this Traffic Jarvis. But if you want to make money on autopilot with forex trading, as you can see the first link here, then you can check out this one. Click on the first link and then enter your email address and your name. Click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate sales page, I guess. And then watch the video there for half an hour, I guess. Watch the video, understand everything what this is all about. To give you an overview, this forex trading is like you have to buy low, sell high. So you might have heard about stock trading. You buy stocks, and when the price of stocks go higher, then you sell them and you make profits. Okay, but in forex trading, we are mainly dealing with currencies like Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD. So when the price of one currency goes up, other currency will go down, and frankly, you do not have to understand any of this. All you need to do is you will have to go through this training and then set up this machine which you can see here. Okay, so this is the graph. We will be installing a software on this graph, and that software will be doing those trading for us. Software will be buying low, selling high, buying low, selling high. Software will do the job, and you can see the balance here. I have made some money. I'm making some money every day. I'll show you my real account in a moment. Okay, so all of this what I'm talking about is going to be very tricky if you try to do it manually. Okay, we are not going to do anything manually. We will be installing the software, as I said, and that software will be closing all the trades and making us money. Okay, if I come here and let me show you my real account. So if I refresh this, okay, so my balance is 1315 now. Okay, and I have deposited 867 right so far. So 867 is my money, which I have deposited, and after that my total balance is 1315. So I have increased 867 to 13, which means like almost how much, $500. Okay, so I have it's 666. So my pure profit is 666, 666 bucks, out of which I have withdrawn 220. Okay, now you can deposit more money. There's no restriction, because I have I have my foot on the accelerator. I know the system, I know the game. I can accelerate at any point of time depending on my wish, okay? But you can always start with the more money if you want to. You can start with 500, 1000, 5000, 10,000, 50,000, okay? You can deposit as much money you want here. And the more money you deposit, the more profits the software is gonna make depending on your brokerage deposit amount, okay? But if you don't know anything, then you have to go through the training and then start slow and steady, because you will make money. That's all matters, okay? You can see here gain and absolute gain. So as long everything you see here, all the data, as long it's green, that means we are good to go. We are working, we are going, we are making money, okay? That's all. The rest is explained inside this training. It's around 8 hours training, okay? And this training will teach you everything about how to set up all this on your computer, on your virtual computer, okay? And it's only for serious people. It's not for window shoppers. If you do not have guts to take action, then get lost, okay? Yes, with full respect, I'm asking you, if you do not have guts, intentions, willingness to take action, then F off. It's only for people who are serious in their life. You wanna go and have party? Then it's better to go and do party, okay? Don't waste your time here. So in the end, after saying this, I still have to do my job. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. You can dislike as well, depending on your ego. And if you want to support and contribute, you can click on the super thanks. I know you will not do that, but anyways, this is my job, because tomorrow when you go and make your YouTube videos, you have to, say all this in your videos. It's a practice thing, okay? Subscribe, like, dislike, whatever, this bell thingy, and again, HostBeast will, these kind of software will come and go. Something on Varia Plus, which you see here, this website. Do not buy any software from this website called Varia Plus, okay? Just remember this. Anything which you see on Varia Plus, which is a software, do not buy. It's pretty simple to figure out, right? And how would you make money? You have a couple of options below my video. You do exactly what I do manually on YouTube, get traffic, grow your list, do affiliate marketing, stuff like that. Then go and try Traffic Jarvis. But if you are interested in this forex trading using the software, inside the training will tell you everything, which software, how to install and all that, okay? So go and get this make money on autopilot with forex thingy if you are interested in learning and then taking action. And if you need support, you will have my support on Skype here. You can ask your questions, because I know you will have many questions, okay, if you get into this. Anyway, so let's wind this up. Subscribe if you want to. It's gonna help you only, okay? So in the end, I will show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail now. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes, okay? Now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change, these numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.